Hi YouTube, and happy Thursday. This is a video I'm recording with my Treo 700p. I'm going to try and make a series of videos of various things showing its performance, its resolution, and just the color texture. There's also a sepia and black and white effect I can do. So without further ado, it's springtime in Ohio. These are trees are just starting to have their leaves come out of the buds. House across the street, a 1995 Chevy Suburban. Some wonderful honeysuckle that's probably a bit bleached out in the sun. Let's see what we have here. Compost. Compost. Just rained, so everything's pretty wet. A broken air conditioning module, and even more compost, a trash can full of compost. How much compost? A lot of yummy compost. It probably needs more grass and other lighter material to keep it dry. Anyway, this is a pear tree that's blooming. Let's look at some of those flowers. And I'm noticing how jerky the filming is. That really gives a nice 90s, 2000s effect to this. And then over here is a bird feeder. Well, two bird feeders. And a thistle seed bird feeder for finches up here, and then suet over there. Tulip tree just starting to bud. Or not bud, but have leaves start to come out. Buds come out and then leaves out of the buds. Shed down there, you can probably hear the noise from the street over here. And we'll walk up there and look up and down. I'm really noticing how slowly the cars drive past. As far as the resolution, it's 352 by 288, which I believe is SIF resolution. Something image format. You can probably look that up. You probably noticed me adding my putting the stylus back. Not adding a stylus. Putting a stylus back where it came from. Some freshly ground up material from that fir tree. Maybe you can see someone walking in the distance. But anyway, let's look down that way. So there you have it, some sample video from the Palm Treo 700p. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below if you have any memories of recording videos with these old smartphones. Take care and have a great rest of your week, everybody.